the cat's out of the bag. I've quit my job. I told you guys that this past week. So for now, I'm leaving the automotive industry. 14 years. Strictly to pursue this, to pursue video. And it's funny how life happens because I got a phone call to go across the country to shoot videos, and this was kind of a little umph, the little reassurance that I needed, the little, it's gonna be okay. This is kind of like a highlight reel. We're just gonna call it a highlight reel. It's kind of a highlight reel from my trip to LA. I think if you watch this video, you'll be able to see like my passion. You'll be able to see that I really enjoy doing this. It's the only thing that kind of comes close to the car business. So check it out and I'll see you guys on the other side. No freaking way. Los Angeles, California. Still can't get over it. Do you think it would be a bad time for me to tell Ben that I'm deathly afraid to fly? I'm actually going to Los Angeles to be a second shooter for a half-a-mile race on an old airstrip. I can now officially say this. We made it, baby. We made it.
Can they even hear you through all this noise?
That's got a good mic.
It's that good?
It's pretty good.
Myself, dude.
By the way, California in the sunlight, just absolutely beautiful. Just something I've never seen before. So that's cool too. I'm really lucky. I'm really lucky in the fact that my whole family supports this decision. So it's good. Everything's great. And as far as my job goes, well, I've already booked some gigs. So I've been unemployed for less than 1 week and I've already shot a couple businesses. So everything's on the up and up. There's still a lot, like this palm tree. There's still a lot that we need to talk about. For now, that's it. I'll see you guys on Monday.